I will start the debate with repeat the motion. This how we get establishment of cash cow program in tertiary educational institution. Let's go to definition. As government, we get the educational institute establishment when educated institute should be equal and everybody layer society will access for educational thing. This motion exists because there's a lot of educational institution made cash cow program who the goals going as business rather than educational things. Let's go to the problem. First, an equality educational institute. Because not everybody will access the cash cow because there's high bill to pay and not everyone have privilege for paying that. Secondly, is the education lose their meaning. Education should be angelic, that when student is someone who need being education and teacher is some hero to help them from unsmart to be smart, from uneducational to be educational, and that's going lost the meaning. Why? Because it's more like commercial, like teachers is someone who distribution and production, and the student is also is the customer, someone who pay for being educational. Let's jump into the three problem. The third problem is exploitation for student by unhealthy depends of institute financial. Why is happen? Because institute not seeing student as someone who pursuing education again. They're going look a student as money machine who give their income and make their financial more stable. Okay, what our goals? Exactly, our goals is make education equal for anyone, and we want the best education for everybody, not just someone who have money, but also every layer of society. I will jump to the argumentation. First, why education should be accessed in every layer of society. First, education should be equal. Everybody deserves to be education. Cash cow will give invisible boundaries that not everyone will access that, and that the ruining of meaning of education and the moral. Because we believe that education it should be everybody's rights. When them born, this word. So how the institute someone who should serve the education going as a business company who just think about income and not think about the quality of education for person is opposed with their goals. I think if our goals is just income, why they are not just open a business rather than educational institute? Because we think there's a pure reason why educational institute happen. To make an educational person become educational, to make human become more humanity. Secondly, I will tell about why it's happen. Why we need cash cow when become in tertiary educational institute is also privilege. Why we need make the situation is more hard for them when exactly being educational is also privilege. Not everybody have privilege to access education, even in elementary school. Not everyone have chance to joining elementary school. Why we need to make them going hard to access education when the basic education is also hard to be accessed? Why we need make a lot of obstacles for them to access education? What we want is quantity of education. We want everybody have a same right to get education. Why we make it's going hard for them? Why we not focus to improve the education in tertiary educational rather than make cash cow? Why we not going make that more easy access for everyone? Like I think rather than campus making us some cash cow, they better for them making some educational thing for everybody. Like Like, I think if our argumentation is being implementation, it's going great because everybody will get some right to taking education. I think there's not harm on that. So why why tertiary educational institution making hard for everyone rather than making easiest and making education more quantity. Think about the quality, not about income, because I think education is going something a pure thing, and it's going oppose the moral if that become business company rather than educational public. So me as government, we think we win the debate by our argumentation. We proud to be government. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.